Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be introducing you to the new Pattern Maker Pro. I have a video in my YouTube channel where I actually introduce you to Pattern Maker Pro by Fearless Makers. If you have not watched that video or you're just coming upon this video for the first time and you don't know what Pattern Maker Pro is, it is good you watch that video. I'll link it right here and I'll also link it below this video explaining to you what Pattern Maker Pro is. Essentially, Pattern Maker Pro is a completely free CAD online pattern drafting system. In fact, so far, this is the one I know so far. Maybe there are others out there, I don't know. So far, that is completely free to use. And so, before, to get to Pattern Maker Pro, you put in Fearless Makers. But now, they have separated Fearless Makers from Pattern Maker Pro and the Fashioner. And this separation has brought in new things. You know, there are some new things, there are some new upgrades, which I'm going to explain in this video. But just know that once you get to Fearless Makers, you can also get to the new Pattern Maker Pro. All you need to do is to click here and it takes you to the new site. So this is the new Pattern Maker Pro. So in this video, I'm going to be explaining the new things that are in this new website, the new things that has been introduced in the Fashioner that will actually help you do your dress patterns without any problems. So without wasting much time, let's go ahead and let's check out the new Pattern Maker Pro. As I said before, when you want to get to Pattern Maker Pro, you normally go through Fearless Makers. But now, the owners have separated the Fearless Makers and the Pattern Maker Pro, a completely free online CAD pattern making system. So to get to the new Pattern Maker Pro, you just put in Pattern Maker Pro in Google. And once you do that, it takes you here. As you can see, the place has changed. I have a complete video on this Pattern Maker Pro, telling you what you can use it for, and above all, knowing that it is completely free. There is no hidden charges. This is a completely free CAD online pattern drafting software. So with this new site, it takes you straight here to the Pattern Maker Pro catalog. These are all the patterns that are here. In the former one, this Pattern Maker Pro catalog is separated from the Fashioner. The Fashioner is the software on which you can actually draft your patterns. If you don't know what Pattern Maker Pro is, and you're just coming to my channel for the very first time, and you don't know what Pattern Maker Pro is, this is my YouTube channel, and I have a video right here, Introduction to Pattern Maker Pro. I'm going to link this video directly below this video so that you can go and watch that, know what Pattern Maker Pro is, know how to get around it. I even have another video showing you how you can create basic body block in minutes using this Pattern Maker Pro. I will link these two videos beneath this video so that you can go ahead, look at it, familiarize yourself with what Pattern Maker Pro is. So let's continue with the new Pattern Maker Pro. What exactly is new here? Of course, there have been more addition of more patterns. There are much more patterns than the old website of the Pattern Maker Pro. There are more patterns for you to choose from and adjust it to fit your size and your measurements. And if you even want to create a free, that is start from fresh to create a pattern, there's even an empty fashioner here that you can use to create your patterns. So now, how do you start? As you can see here, you have a community where you can ask questions. You have here where if you click it, it takes you to where you have all the manuals on how to use the fashioner and how to use the Pattern Maker Pro. For the pricing is completely free. But for you to be able to comment in the community and for you to be able to, use the fashioner to the best of its ability, you need to register. Registration does not cost anything. You just need your email and a password. But I have already registered, so what I will do is to log in. So once I log in, I will be able to, show you everything. So this is my account. From here, I can see my measurement sets. If you don't know what a measurement set is, it simply means your full measurements that is needed for you to be able to create a pattern. You have this here called my fashioner sessions. This fashioner session shows all the patterns that you have done using the fashioner. So let's first go to my measurement sets. So if you click on measurement set, you see all kinds of measurements already put in there. All kinds of measurements already put in there. This is my own measurement set that I did match. This is another measurement set. This is another measurement set that I did recently. Now, the new thing that has come in here that was not in the old website is that after you put in a measurement set, as I've done like this, now let me just click so that you see what the measurement sets look like. Okay, let's say you want to put in your measurements. You click on new measurement set, and then you need to put what kind of measurement values are you going to use. Are you going to be measuring it in inches, centimeters, or millimeters? Please bear in mind that once you choose any one, that is the measurement you're going to use for whatever design you're going to use if you're using that particular measurement set. So let's say you want to do centimeters, you put centimeters, and then it opens up for you like this. And these are all the measurements. You put in your measurement set name, then you start all these basic measurements, fill it in. If you just click here like this, it shows you a diagram of how to do that particular measurement. So that is how you're able to put in all your measurements. Everything is explained, very easy for you. I have a video. If I go back to my YouTube channel, I have another video. Right here is a video, step-by-step guide on how to enter your body measurements. So this particular video shows you how to enter your body measurements. Here, your Pattern Maker Pro is detailed. How to get here, how to take your measurements, how to download it, everything that has to do with creating measurement sets using this completely free online CAD pattern making software called Pattern Maker Pro. So once we're done, let me go back to my account. So once you're done with that, so you can decide to just choose any of these measurement sets to see what it actually looks like. Like if you go here, edit, what is it? This is copy. delete, download, export for this set. So let's see what it looks like. So those are the measurement sets for this particular adult mature X copy, and you see the unit is in centimeters, and you can always print it to use it. Let's say you just want to use it to be able to check out what it looks like if you want to use it to create a particular pattern. So to see the measurement sets fully, as you said, you saw I clicked on those icon looking like a book. So you're able to see the actual measurement sets fully as they look like. Those are the actual measurement sets for each of those measurements, which, as I said, you can decide to use. These are standard measurements for you to use. So this is what you can use these sets of measurements that you can copy over to your account to use in lieu of making measurements yourself. So just take a look at it and everything. If you want measurement sets for infants, just click on that. It shows you infant A, infant B, infant C, different measurement sets that you can use. Child standard, child plus, these are all standard measurement sets that you can use to just maybe try your hands, on these measurements. Even measurement sets for dolls, if you want. I think somebody asked me that question, where to get measurement sets for dolls in the Pattern Maker Pro. So this is how to get it. I had a question like that from one of my viewers. So this is how you can get your measurement set for your dolls using the Pattern Maker Pro. I don't want this video to be too long. This video is all about just introducing you to the new Pattern Maker Pro. In my next video, I'm going to be talking about the new thing that has actually been added, which is this test that you see here. What is this for? And how does it help you in terms of creating your patterns on this completely free pattern making software? So stay tuned for my next video. And with this, I've actually come to the end of this video, introducing you to the new Pattern Maker Pro website, and then showing you the new things that have actually been added to the Pattern Maker Pro new website. So go ahead and check it out and see all the things that has been added to this new Pattern Maker Pro website. So as you can see, this is the community forum where you can ask questions, whatever is the problem, ask questions, and you can see your answer. There's a Lori answers you almost immediately. She doesn't waste so much time. She'll answer you. If you have any problem, people will answer you, So that is the forum. As I said, you cannot have access to this forum unless you have registered, and registration is completely free. Thank you so much for watching. Till the next video.